What is it?
They come in like different widths of rolls. So
Yeah.
the ones that I think I've never personally used them, but I think Rob has a bit more experience with them. He's talked to them quite a bit. But the one that I would recommend is a bentonite impregnated liner. So it's basically like landscape fabric with bentonite chips sandwiched in between it. And it comes on these big rolls that are like, I don't know, 10 feet wide. And you literally, you use an excavator to just hold the roll up in the air, and you just spool it off like a big carpet. And so you would do like one strip. And this is why you want to build it somewhat rectilinear.
Yeah.
So they fit together. And so once we figure out what width it is, say they're 10 feet wide, we'll want to make this pond an increment of 10 feet, less a little bit.
And they probably overlap when you run them or something.
Yeah. So all they do is you roll one down, and then you just pour a little bit of bentonite on the seam, like in a bag. You pour it in the seam, you lap the other one on, and you just keep moving over.
Really? Oh, so you just kind of glue it together with bentonite.
You put a little bit of overburden or sand or something back on top of it, and that weighs it down.
Wow.
And as soon as water gets in there, it hits that bentonite.
It seals.
Expands like 7 times its volume, and it's kind of sandwiched in between the rock underground. Because this is why you don't want to go with some kind of a neoprene or a plastic liner, is it'll get punched to shit with your rocky soil. This way, you can literally go right down to bedrock, and it doesn't matter if it's jagged. You throw your bentonite liner on top of that, put that membrane on, put a little bit of soil on top, and you can still have plants in your pond. You can if you punch a hole in it, it doesn't matter because it's going to self-heal itself.
Wow.
And from what I believe the last quote that Rob got was $5 a square meter. So let's look at this area here in square meters. So, call it 500 square meters, because it'll be kind of a rectangle here, something like that. And that would be $2,500.
That's nothing.
That's nothing. And that'll give you a 250,000 gallon tank, and $2,500 would only give you a 2,500 gallon tank of plastic water. So it's that's 100 times. It's 100 times cheaper. Now you have the cost of digging and stuff. So maybe
the work and all that, which isn't too bad, because we have the machine up there.